Guys, hope you guys are okay. Today I think I'm gonna do basically like a daily vlog because everything in my life right now is so scattered. I don't even know what I'm on. Oh my god, I don't have, you know when you only put on concealer but not foundation, so my face just looks scattered right now, but it's okay. It's a representation of my life right now. Everything is scattered. So today I want to like sort a few things out. I'm gonna try like do my front room and move all my clothes in because you guys don't even want to see like my beauty room. Let me show you how it is. It's still so scattered. I have clothes there, my suitcase there, like it's just a mess. I have friends coming over on the weekend as well, so like I really want to try and sort out. So yeah, I think first things first, I'm gonna write a list of what I need to do today. This was my list for like yesterday. Parcel. Hello, thank you. Thank you. Okay, got delivery. I might as well open this up on camera. Actually, I already had a delivery come today. I had this delivery come today. That's cute. Yeah, I do need to go Primark. I think first things first, I'm gonna clean up a little bit. So yeah, I'll kind of show you what's going on here. I've got a drawer here and a drawer here, and then I've got exactly the same thing on the other side of the bed, but the ones on that side have all my clothes, and I don't think that makes sense. So I think today what I want to do is basically switch them around, and on that side put like the bed sheets and extra towels and stuff like that. Also, I have this drawer which I can fill up with stuff because this is all like empty. Yeah, but I don't really like the way that looks. I'm so picky. I don't like the way it looks over here. I like the airiness of the room, like having no furniture, so I might actually put it in here. I want to get rid of all these odd hangers as well. That's why I want to go Primark today. But can you see what I'm saying? It just looks it looks way more neater when all your hangers are the same. So I want to go to Primark and get those hangers. Okay, so that's how it will look like that. It's just, where will all the shoes go? Where will all the shoes go? I don't know. Let's figure this out. Okay, so this is pretty much what I'm doing. I'm putting all my trousers up here just because I feel like it makes sense. My trousers can lean against here. Also, when these hangers get really heavy, they tend to break. So if it's leaning against this, then it's not that bad. It does kind of mean my trousers are going to be like flopping over each other, but I think it's okay. I think it's okay because that way I can put like a stand here, so maybe my shoes can go on the stand. Listen, I got a plan. And also I do have all this space up here that I can like sort out and make work. So let me just keep going. Yes, Mimi, well done, sis. I'm doing okay, innit? Okay, so here are all my clothes. I've kind of taken them out of the drawer. Basically, I'm going to fold these in order and pop them in here, here, and in here. Okay, y'all, I had to put my hair up. I'm watching the Tarot. Does anyone watch this? It's like song association.
Nice, so secure that bag. Now you are engaged. I am engaged. To beautiful, give me that again. Shade. Hi, Shade. Shout out to Shade.
Yeah. basically he gets people on the show to sing like words. It's so good. Song association. I actually did a video based off his video and like Elle's video, so if you haven't seen it, I'm gonna link that down below. But anyways, yeah, so I had to take a break. This is where I am right now currently. It's getting together. So I've been hanging my clothes, can you see? Hanging my clothes, hanging my trousers, shoes pretty much sorted out, and clothes. Look how much baggy shirts I've got, guys. It's actually crazy. I love baggy shirts. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna make myself some tea right now to keep myself going because I'm so tired. Like, I don't even know what's going on with me. This is what I made yesterday. You really can't see it. I didn't go to bed till like 1, and he came this morning to pick it up because he took it to work for lunch. But yeah, so the kitchen right now is literally a mess, so I need to clean the kitchen as well. But I'm gonna take a break, make some tea, and then continue in a bit. Oh, my belly is growling, but an hour and a half later, this is where we're at. Oh, all the clothes is off the bed. Okay, so in here we got all my swimming costumes and like holiday clothes. In here we've got like 2 pieces right at the front here, tops, because then this row here is all tops and whatever ran over is in that row. In here we've got all my gym clothes, jogging bottoms, jumpers. We can close her right up, nice and easy. Then in here you've still got a lot of space, so I got all my dresses here. So these are all the dresses that I didn't hang, and then all my shirts all here, and then obviously when I unpack the stuff in the other room I can fit some more stuff in here, and then go over this side and we've got literally all my house clothes here. Does anyone have a wrapper that they always wear in their house, or am I just a freshie? This wrapper, like this is all my house clothes. Yeah, when I tell you pajamas and house clothes, more time I'm always in this. It's only because I'm vlogging today that I'm not wearing it. Like normally I don't have on house clothes. Normally I have my wrapper tied on and that's it. I can't even lie. Then you've got all my skirts here, and then all my shorts here. So skirts, shorts, and house clothes in this one. In here I've got just jumpers because obviously I don't need them now. Push them to the side, and then I have space for like bed sheets and stuff to put here. Oh my god, I'm so happy we're basically done. I can say my clothes is all officially here, like it's moved in. It's currently 2:20. I'm gonna quickly just play a podcast. What should I listen to today? What can I do? Okay, I'm gonna listen to the read today while I tidy up.
Hey y'all, this week's episode of The Read is brought to you by Netflix's Tales of the City, inspired by the 70s.
Okie dokie, so we are back from Primark. I got the hangers, and I also picked up this little thing which I think is so cute. Jay was like, why are you getting it? You're not gonna put it anywhere. No, it's just gonna be a waste of money. Okay, so I didn't ask all of that. I think I'm gonna use it. So it's basically meant to be like somewhere that you keep keys and stuff, but obviously I'm not gonna use it for that. I think it'd be cute as decoration. is gold and it's pretty and it's on sale. Yes, honey, it was £9. Now it's £5. I think it's really, really cute. Do you think it's cute? I think it's cute. I just don't know what the heck I'm gonna do with it. Like, I actually don't know. I don't know where I'm going to put it, but I think it's really, really cute. I think it looks nice with the flowers and the whole theme of this room. Can you see? Yeah, she's a keeper. Okay. Guys, I think I'm gonna call it a night. I've actually had so much fun vlogging today. Tomorrow I'm going to an event, hopefully with Rachel. I asked if Rachel could come and they said yes, so hopefully she can come. And what else am I doing? It's Wednesday, so I might go church as well. That'll be really cute. You guys should go church because I'm gonna be in London. Yeah, I think I am, you know. I'm gonna message Cynthia now and see if she's on it. But yeah, so tomorrow, and even Ronke, she might be on it. Yeah, so I'll see you guys probably tomorrow. Bye.